Hello, class. I wanted to go over graphing a vertical or horizontal line. So these are just special cases of our linear equations that we're going to graph. And we've talked a little bit before about graphing a linear equation when it's in the slope-intercept form, the y equals mx plus b format. So these are just special cases that should be a little easier to graph once you understand what we're working with. Let me get my pen set up. There we go. Okay, so we'll start with the first one. So notice that this one starts with y equals. So what we're dealing with here is it's going to be a linear equation where all of the ordered pairs have a y value of 1. So if I start making ordered pairs, and remember I only need 2 to graph our line. So it's telling me y equals 1. So remember you have your x and y values for ordered pairs. So I'm going to put 1 in for both of these. And then all we need is some x values to go with it. So our x value is not present here. It's because the slope is 0. So 0 times anything will cancel it out. So what we're going to have is we can pick any value for the x. As long as the y value is 1, it will be on our line. So what I would suggest doing is look at your graph that you're asked to work with in Alex. It goes up to 10, down -10, left, right, 10, -10. So pick in that range. So we're dealing with x values. We can go all the way over the -10 or +10. So pick numbers that you like. Maybe you like 2 and maybe you like 0. This will give us 2 points to graph. So the first one is 2 up 1. I'm going to go right 2, x value, it's positive, so right 2, and then up 1. And then my next point is 0, left and right, but up 1. And we're going to connect the dots to make our linear equation. It'll look a little nicer in Alex. So this is going to give us a horizontal line. So notice that we have y equals 1, so we're going through the y-axis at 1. Okay. If we're dealing with a vertical line, or when it's x, it's the same concept. Again, you need 2 ordered pairs because we're working with a line. So let's get 2 ordered pairs. And this time we're told that the x value is 1. Sorry, -1. So we plug in -1 for this concept for either point. And then we go ahead and again, fill in whatever numbers you want. Again, you can use 2 and 0 if you want. You want to use the same values, just use them for your y this time. So -1 means left 1. +2 means up 2 when we're talking about our x and y's. And then -1 up 0. So notice now we have a vertical line and it goes through -1. So this is an example of vertical, and this is an example of a horizontal line. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Alex. So we had the points -1, 2, and -1, 0. So let's get our line here. So -1 up 2, and then -1 up 0. So we have our vertical line and we check it. All right. Hopefully that helped you work with vertical and horizontal lines. Again, the key concept is get 2 ordered pairs. You have one of the values given to you already, and plug in anything for the other values just so that you fits on your graph. All right. Hope that was helpful. Have a good day.